Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. In this video guys, I'm going to be painting miscellaneous parts from the car. They're all going to go black, so that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Alright guys, let me show you the adhesion promoter. All these parts are, I guess, plastic. And yeah, they're plastic, most of them. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you the adhesion promoter that I'm going to be using. Right there. And this one just goes straight to the gun. Alright, so let me just add a cup. I'm probably gonna add 2 coats of adhesion promoter, waiting 15 minutes in between. So let me start adding the first one. Alright, and there's the sealer. I just added 1 coat of sealer, and everything's good. Everything came out nice. So let me just wait 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and I'll come back and start shooting the black. Alright, so let's just jump over to the spraying of the black. There we go, guys. I added 2 coats of base. I'm not gonna add 3. They're small pieces, so there's no need for that. So this is ready. I'm gonna let it set for about 15 minutes. Then I'll come back and I'll start adding the clear. And there it is, guys. This is after 2 coats of base and 3 coats of clear. Everything came out real nice, and that's it. So let me just put everything back in the car so that I can show you the car. I'm gonna show it to you without being buffed. That way you know the way the Grand 7 clear is. I'm gonna buff it, but I want you to see it without being buffed. It's nice and shiny. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Alright, thank you. I'll see you next weekend, and like always, God bless.